Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their Canon PIXMA G3160 to Wi-Fi? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power cycle. Ensure that both the printer and wireless router are powered on. Restart them by turning them off and then back on. Step 2. Enable Wi-Fi. Make sure the printer's Wi-Fi is enabled. Check the printer's display for the Wi-Fi icon and turn it on if absent. Step 3. Verify settings. Verify that the printer's network settings match the router's. Check the network name and password settings on your printer. Step 4. Adjust placement. Place the printer close to the router, avoiding obstacles and interference from electronics like microwaves. Step 5. Disable firewall. Disable any firewall temporarily that might be blocking the connection between the printer and network. Follow these steps and your Canon PIXMA G3160 should connect to the Wi-Fi network seamlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.